Ripple. Hello, everybody. This article can be found in the description below. It's from FX Street by John Isige. Okay, Ripple's price action. This article is actually from February the 9th, but I think it's still relevant. Ripple's price update. XRP USD gears up for another shot at 30 cents. Ripple tries to follow Bitcoin's lead in a bid to cross above the stubborn 30-cent resistance. Ripple contains the price movement within an ascending channel. Ripple's price continues to nurture an uptrend with an ascending channel. The channel support is very instrumental to the trend. Its resistance line is proven to be an uphill task for the bulls. XRP recently pushed strongly towards 30 cents but fell short of 29 cents, forming a high of 28 cents. The retracement that follows found support at 26 cents and gave way to the ongoing bullish action on Sunday, European trading session. The bullish action is tantamount with Bitcoin's rally above 30 cents. XRP has reclaimed the ground above 28 cents and is exchanging hands at 28 cents. The immediate downside is protected by a 50-day moving average, 50-day SMA at 27 cents in the 2-hour range. As per the trend signaled by RSI, the bulls are in control. If the momentum stays intact and the RSI hits levels above 70, XRP could, for the first time in 2020, cross above 30 cents. Similarly, the momentum indicator with the cross above 0 shows that ongoing bullish action has strengthened. As far as the reversal is concerned, the channel supports and the 50-day SMA will offer support above 27. Other key areas of support includes 26 cents, 25 cents, and the 200-day SMA 23 cents and 22 cents. XRP USD 2-hour chart. You see over here, there is a forming channel off to the far right. You can see that's like uphill channel. If you're into charting, RSI is like the relatively strength index. Okay, that is the end of this. This article will be in the description below. Like, subscribe for more updates on your favorite crypto.